name is Ismael Mendez, and I've been working for Clothes Factory almost 20 years. My current position is the operations manager. I became a manager almost 10 years ago. I started the company working in the service department. I also worked in the operations area from time to time. And what I love about this company is that actually you can make a career if you are willing to. You know that this company has always opportunities to people that they want to grow and they want to get better and think bigger and do bigger. So absolutely, that's what I love about this factory. When I'm looking at hiring people, I'm looking at three things. The number one thing that I'm looking for is attitude. I like people with good attitude because, as I said before, Clothes Factory always gives people the opportunity to grow. So we have one person that has a good attitude and that doesn't have that many skills. The attitude is one of the most important things for me because people can learn, people can grow, and with help they can get better. I'm a great example. I mean, I started on the bottom, and then here I am running the operations department. And I love that. I love the fact that Clothes Factory is always open to help, to assist, to improve, and I like that. I love that. It's a great culture, and I always tell my people when they are hired and they are working for me, I say, you know what, you can make a career here because we here in the company are here to support and to provide all the tools you need just so you can get better. So I think that's a great culture. That's a great way to help and improve